Hey everybody. All right, so I've got to clean up the BMW because I'm taking it tomorrow to trade in. I've already got a bike picked out, made sure it's still there, went back yesterday, looked at it last weekend. You guys probably saw that video. So I went back yesterday, made sure they still had the bike. Called up there today, they still had the bike. I'm acting like a freaking child. Is this still there? Is this still, is it still there? Is this still there? I'm like calling constantly. So tomorrow they've got a lockdown, they've got it set aside for me, and tomorrow I'm gonna go get it. And but today I have to clean up this one, so I've got to get off obviously my first seat. I've got to get off all my camera gear. I've got to get this off of there, got to get in all my stuff for the phone, pull all these cables out and stuff, and generally I just got to wash it. I don't even want to pretend this is not hard, because me and this bike have taken a lot of trips together. Put about 40,000 miles on it, and I mean, look at it. It's a big old sexy girl. So I had to go ahead and give the Harley a little bath to get her cleaned up. But the BMW is ready to trade in now, and I got all the stuff off of it. Pulled the first seat off, got her all washed up, clean. That thing, the Kawasaki, let's not talk about the Kawasaki. All right, so this is it. Taking her up. This will be my last trip, maybe, if we can strike a deal. My last trip on the BMW. Oh, this BMW anyway. I'm taking it this way. I'll see where I end up. I think my neighbors are gonna hate me. We're gonna take it up on the highway for a little bit, just open her up and see what she feels like. All right, taking her up on the road. Oh boy. My neighbors are gonna hate me.